mga magulang. Tapos, ayun, nung third year high school, ano section namin nun? Charitable. Ay, hindi. Innovative pala. Third year high school, innovative. Yun, doon naging kaklase ko na sila. Mga best friend ko ngayon. Sila Christine, Sarah, Sidsoy. Fourth year high school, charitable, yung aming section. Hindi ko na alam kung anong mga number yung section na yun.
Yung third year tsaka fourth year high school, diyan ko naranasang mabully. At alam mo kung sino pa yung nang-bully sa akin? Yung mga best friend ko. Charot. Pero I've learned how to forgive. You know, kung ako tatanungin kung ano yung talagang secret to a long-lasting relationship, that is forgiveness. Talagang kailangan marunong ka magpatawad, kailangan hindi mo man totally makalimutan lahat.